And then, so right here, see how it's a two-piece? You can see there's like this outer wheel, and then there's a bearing or something in there. That's known to come apart and destroy your motor. So here's the newer updated version. I just ordered this. I just went on the microfiche for a 2019 but I think they started with this design in 2016. I'm not 100% sure, but I just went with the newest model. It's a solid piece. There's less room for air, less parts to come off of that roller bearing there. So, which YZ250 owners, if you guys have to tear apart your motor, I'm going to say between 2005 and 2014 for sure. Double check this part. Go on the microfiche, Rocky Mountain, or whoever you order your parts from. Just update that. Shift shaft. Make sure you have this washer. This is very important. This washer is important. It goes up inside the case. I polished this up a little bit. It was a little rough actually, so I polished that up. Make sure that's good and smooth. And another thing I want to show you guys, these shifting pawls, these little buttons and the springs for that, and the spring that connects to here. I bought this all brand new. It's more of a, I didn't need to. It's cheap insurance because these little springs go up and down, they pull, they go back, they pull, they lose the tension. Same with these tiny little ones. Same thing. I just wanted to have less room for possible error. These pieces here, they're all new. You don't necessarily have to get all these pieces, but I would recommend definitely at least getting the springs. It's cheap insurance, guys. And I mean, here's the old stuff. So I even bought new bolts. I probably didn't need to. And there's the spring. But yeah,